A recent study says that exercising during pregnancy may let women significantly reduce their children's chances of developing diabetes and other metabolic diseases later in life. A study with lab mice has found that exercise during pregnancy prevented the transmission of metabolic diseases from an obese parent, either mother or father, to child. If the finding holds true in humans, it will have huge implications for helping pregnant women ensure their children live the healthiest lives possible, the researchers report in a new scientific paper. This means that one day soon, a woman's first trip to the doctor after conceiving might include a prescription for an exercise program. Most of the chronic diseases that we talk about today are known to have a fetal origin. This is to say that the parents' poor health conditions prior to and during pregnancy have negative consequences to the child, potentially through chemical modification of the genes, said researcher Jen Yan, a top exercise expert at the University of Virginia School of Medicine. We were inspired by a previous mouse research implicating that regular aerobic exercise for an obese mother before and during pregnancy can protect the child from early onset of diabetes. In this study, we asked the questions: what if an obese mother exercises only during pregnancy? And what if the father is obese? Scientists have known that exercise during pregnancy helps lead to healthy babies, reducing the risk of pregnancy complications and premature delivery. But Yan, the director of the Center for Skeletal Muscle Research at UVA's Robert M. Byrne Cardiovascular Research Center, wanted to see if the benefits continued throughout the children's lives. News Desk, Kaumudi English.